Okay, so welcome to Create Happiness House. I promised a new update since so many changes have occurred since my last one. So let's go in. So the front hall hasn't changed much. We still have to hang all the doors, but we at least got covers on all the light switches and outlets. We still have to paint the floors of the treads on the stairs, but we got the railing in and I got it refinished and repainted. The salvaged wood wall has been polyed and trimmed out, and it looks really beautiful. And if we go upstairs, you can see this beautiful hickory flooring, and it doesn't look so stark white anymore. We got the windows trimmed out, and we brought a dining table in from our home. These are two of the tables that we refinished. We're going to try and salvage the dishwasher and the stove. And then here's the hallway. Oops, sorry, I forgot to move the vacuum cleaner. The bathroom hasn't changed much. I'm still trying to fix the caulking. It was a little bit sloppy, and so it needs to be trimmed off, and it's yellowing. But this should be really beautiful when I'm done. We have the linen closet ready to go with the flooring. Here is one of the bedrooms. This is the old purple bedroom, and there's the TV mounts ready to be installed. Closet's all trimmed out, just waiting for its door. Windows are trimmed out. Here's the other bedroom and one of the other tables that we salvaged. Beautiful flooring, windows trimmed out. And there's the closet system and the ceiling, which wasn't there last time. Beautiful lighting. Okay, so the big change in the past couple of days was we got the ceiling in the basement painted. I want to show you that. I also want to show you very briefly from the upstairs window how beautiful the farm looks, even though there's a lot of puddles, but because we've had a lot of rain lately. But there's you can kind of see the apiary, pollinator garden, farm stand. Okay, let's go take a look at the basement and see how wonderful that's looking. Like I said, the stairs treads still need painting. I got the carpets ready to go. Since my last video, we got this pole installed, and that's holding up part of the house that didn't seem to have anything held up. Here's our little hidey hole panic room that's ready to have its surfaces refinished. Bathroom's kind of being used as a storage area, but we got that pretty close to done. Just needs the flooring and the toilet. Not a whole lot of changes back in the laundry area. Still need a ceiling, but we will get there. But let's take a look at the bedrooms. So here's the larger of the two basement bedrooms and the change in the closet. And then windows. And look at that ceiling. It just disappears. It's beautiful. So much better than a drop ceiling. And then here's the smaller bedroom. Same treatment. It's looking beautiful. I'm gonna get started on the flooring. Here's the main area. Got windows done, the ledging done. It's the upper. We're gonna get some track lighting in here. And anyway, we're getting so close to done. Flooring and furnishing. And just a few tweaks here and there. Thanks for watching.